Hello guys, Habibi here. Guys, I need to add a rocket damage effect to uh, this game. I have some enemy objects, those toilet monsters. If I shoot the rocket at these enemies, the enemy is still okay. I need to kill those enemies by this rocket. So to add the damage effect, I will make it simple. I'm going to add a glider to this rocket object here on my resources folder. This rocket explosion object, I will add a box collider or sphere collider in it. Yes, this one. And I will increase the size. Okay, and I will set it as trigger, and I'm going to add a new tag to this Unity. I call it rocket damage. I copy the name and don't forget to set the tag rocket damage. Then I'm going to add a new script. I will call the script killed by rocket. Edit the script, and here I will add public void on trigger enter. Collider call, and then I will type if call the compare tag rocket damage. For testing purpose, I will show a debug text, debug.log. Got hit by the rocket. Okay, that's all. And I go back to Unity editor. I will go here on the scene. You see this KBD toilet object, this one. I will attach the script killed by rocket script, and I copy this script and I paste the script to the rest of these KBD toilet objects. So I select the rest objects and here choose paste component as new. Okay, and I'm going to, oh, there is an error. Okay, the compare tag should be capital C here. Let me test the game. Let let's try to shoot at this. You see this text got hit by the rocket. It means the script is working. So instead of showing this text, I will destroy the game object. Destroy game object, and we are set. By if the enemy hits the rocket collider, the enemy will be destroyed. So let's test it. I will destroy this one. You see that the enemy is destroyed, and let's destroy this one. Cool, right? Let's find the other monster, this one. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I hope you will like the video, and see you next time on my next tutorial videos. Bye bye guys, see you soon.